Hello mga kabakal, so eto nga po pala yung list of requirements ng mga hinihingi ng agency sa Pilipinas papunta dito sa Australia. First ay ang PIUS ID Certificate. Para kayo'y makakuha neto ay kailangan nyo pong mag-register or mag-sign up sa pius.gov.ph. Second ay ang application form. So, etong application form na to ay manggagaling mismo sa agency na a-applyan ninyo. Third is resume with job description. Meron po akong in-upload na CV or resume format. Sundan nyo lamang po iyon. The fourth one is Certificate of Employment. Comes with 5 years experience. The fifth one is Training Certificates. Tulad na lamang po ng mga NC2. The sixth one is Passport. Number 7, Passport photo size. Kailangan dito sa picture na to ay naka-formal kayo at with white background. Number 8 is reference or recommendation letters na manggagaling sa mga company na pinanggalingan nyo before. So number 9 is payslips. Kailangan po ay 3 payslips per year for the last 5 years. So number 10 is diploma and transcript of records. 11, NBI clearance. 12 is driver's license. So, para sa mga nakapag-vocational or college level, ay kakailanganin ninyong ipasa ang Form 137, Certificate on Medium of Instruction in High School, Certificate on Medium of Instruction in College or Tech Vocational Course, Transcript of Records for College or Technical Vocational Course. So, kung ikaw ay high school graduate ay hindi mo na kinakailangan pang kumuha o ipasa ang mga ganito. But you have to take English assessment. Ito ay ang PTE or IELTS. Kapag PTE ang kukunin mo, you need to pass at least 36 each component. While on IELTS, you have to pass at least 4.5 each component. So the last one is police clearance. These requirements is for those who work overseas for 1 year. So sana nakatulong. Thank you for watching. Bye!